complimentary on badges. It's the one and only way to travel.
Thanks, John. You saved the day.
Thanks, buddy.
Book now, fly now for $10,000.
Your record label is taking off, but so is your sound engineer. You need to hire. Indeed, you do. Indeed Instant Match instantly delivers quality candidates matching your job description. Visit Indeed.com/hire.
My hair started thinning in my early 20s. I'm genetically predisposed, so we created Nutrafol. Nutrafol is the #1 dermatologist-recommended hair growth supplement. It's never too late to improve your hair health. Get started at Nutrafol.com/man.
Yield Street presents Alternative Investing with Galvan. And older Galvan.
Oh, the stock market is doing that fun thing again. Hey, news from the future. You're going to live through that about 10 more times. Oh, it's no stress. I just discovered Yield Street. They vet investments that don't last. Ooh, some of my gray hairs just reversed. Yeah, you're welcome.
Become an investor today. Yield Street. Private market investing.
CarMax is the largest retailer of used cars in the country. We are the original.
We very much had our sights on the digital future when we started investing in e-commerce.
For efficiency, but we were horrible at interconnectedness.
Customers are going to continue to have their expectations evolve in this space.
If you don't get ahead of the consumer and give them the experience that they're looking for, you run the chance of being irrelevant.
Got it. When the commercial wins, it's all about that.
Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade.